Hi, I'm Paula Roberts, or PromoPaula. I'm a Beachbody coach here in San Antonio. And when you order Shakeology, it comes with a 30-day menu, 30 days of chocolate, $30 days of greenberry. So I decided, instead of doing my usual peanut butter and chocolate Shakeology that I do every day, I'm going to try 30 different recipes. So today we're doing the chocolate banana nutter. You can put ice in if you want to make it like a smoothie or a frosty, which I'm going to do. 1 cup of water, 1 banana, nice and ripe and flavorful. Alright, and 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. That's about good. Make sure you get all of it, don't waste some peanut butter. So if you're concerned about calories with peanut butter, you don't really need to be. There's only 140 calories in Shakeology, and 2 tablespoons, which we only used half of that, 2 tablespoons is 190. So you're only still having about 250 to 300 calories for this whole meal, because I am using this as a meal replacement. And my Shakeology, you can get Shakeology in 30-day supply in a bag. We ran out, so we've resorted to our packets until our next bag comes in the next shipment from UPS, hopefully in the next day or 2. The packets are single serving sizes. Just put the lid on and blend it up. Just kind of make sure the ice is all crushed up. That looks very chocolatey. That smells very peanut buttery and very banana-y. Uh-oh, looks like I might have to share some. And George took the rest. Put it in my handy dandy shaker. If you would like to purchase some, we'll even give you a free shaker. Let me test it. This is the first time I've tried this recipe. I usually put water, or I usually put milk instead of the water in mine. That's actually very good. I was actually expecting to not care for it too much because it didn't have milk in it, but it's really good. My new favorite. Until tomorrow. Tomorrow, chocolate minty. Mmm. Nope. No. Hey, come back. George. Bring back my Shakeology. George, what do you do with my Shakeology? Aw, don't drink it all. See, it's that good.